My name is Gareth Stevens. I farm at Mentro, Cardigan. The farm is about 250 acres in all. We bought the farm in 1992 and we've added to it since then.
Hi, I'm Aled. I'm a farmer's son from a few miles down the road. I've farmed all my life, and after finishing school I decided to go to Aberystwyth University to do a degree, and after finishing that I wanted to go into farming.
We have 3 grown-up children, but none of them wanted to farm. They've gone on to other careers.
The family farm wasn't quite big enough for me and my brother to farm, so I decided that the best way of trying to farm was to look outside, and share farming was a great option.
We put our names forward to the venture program with Farming Connect. We went then to a seminar explaining how share farming would work, and they've supported us really well all the way.
My father knew that I wanted to go into farming, and the opportunity wasn't there at home. And he'd heard on the grapevine that Gareth was looking for somebody, and just asked him would he be interested in taking me on. A week later I visited the farm. Gareth and Pam drove me around the farm and gave me a tour, and a year and a half later here we are. Farming Connect have been excellent again. They pointed us in the legal framework, and also they pointed us to a business advisor, and who could set us a good business plan.
The venture program has given us security, and we do discuss things often, daily really, about the farm. But I'm very, very pleased to have found the right person to be on the farm.
Making the jump of being an employee to being self-employed has been a big difference, and it's a big step to take. Farming Connect have pointed me towards any grant which is available, which has been a massive help.
We feel that the venture program has been the best thing that we've ever done, and I hope it'll continue as it is now. Everything is working out really well.